Hey friends, welcome back. Today I'm doing a layout for Mini Kit Monday and it is February, is it the 15th? 15th, Mini Kit Monday day. Okay, so I have this really pretty background paper from Cocoa Vanilla Daydream. It is called Garden Variety. It's a really warm gray with polka dots and this side is a floral explosion. Now I've used this side in the past, so today this is the day. And if you will recall, one of the things in my recipe challenge was to use a mini paper pad, which it's like the year of the paper pad so far for me. I'm trying to burn through them and trying not to rebuy them because I did learn that I bought tons and tons and tons and then I didn't use them. So I am trying to get to that. So I'm going to go ahead and detail cut out these buggies. I know that. And I know they're going to kind of flutter along on a diagonal. I'm feeling that way. Let me show you the photo. I have this picture here. This is Blue. He is our puppy. And the Nick, he is right there. And this is my daughter, Shay. They were making these cookies and he was bugging them. He was going back and forth, hoping for somebody to drop something. So what I thought I could do, I have buggies and they look kind of mothy. I have Cute Little Bugger is going to be my title. I have these outfits here, which are foam in my kit. They're called Twilight from Shine On, apparently. And then I also have these stickers here. They're called Marquee from Glitter Girl, apparently. So I am using them, and I brought in just a couple of these extra little foam bits that are part of this alpha so that it kind of has a little bit of representation. So I have that. Now, I do want to cut out these pieces, and I'm going to see if there's, I don't want to bring out the blue in the bowl that much. I think that's plenty, but I do like the idea of seeing, okay, there's nothing amazing there. I need to map my photo a few times. Now, he looks rather pink in this picture. He is white until you get him out in the snow. Then he actually turns into like a slightly yellowy off-white. And he has a couple, like on his ears, he has a couple polka dots and brown and whatnot. But anyhow, so I can bring in, some pinks and all that kind of stuff. It really doesn't matter what I bring in. I just don't want to act like the bowl is the main thing. He is a cute little bugger in this situation. Now, I do have a nice border around this, so I'll trim that with a border. I'm going to cut this out, come up with a little tiny bit more of a design, and I'll be back in a minute. All right, quick check-in time. I went ahead and trimmed down this gray paper to 11.5 by 11.5 and used one of the pieces of paper I have left over in this Cocoa Vanilla kit to just mat the photo, and then I used the gutted part just for another mat on my pictures. So I did end up with 4 mats, which I think is quite fun. We will go ahead, and yes, this is a gorgeous rainbow sheet that you see on this side. I've already used it once. It's okay. We're going to get through it, people. I know it is ridiculously beautiful. So I do need to get a rather large title on at some point, but let's just go ahead and work with what we have so far. Okay, picture. Now, we have buggies, lots and lots of these cute little buggies, right? Oh, that's like the same buggies. So let's put matching buggies up there. I don't like the blue bowl, so I'm actually going to do that on purpose. Cute. All right, so then I have all of these little buggies that I want to go ahead. I love that green one. So pretty. So 1, 2, okay. We can go kind of like that. I think that is pretty. So they're all just going to be doing their whole flutter thing. Now that's yellow and yellow. Let's switch a yellow out for another peach down there so we have some good variety. There we go. All the buggies get to be represented with love. So we will put them on. Now I usually do the fluttery up wings thing. This time I think I will go flat, just literally because I usually do it the other way. And sometimes you just gotta change it up. So just gonna stagger these guys. I need to get my title on, and then after that, it's just kind of fun because it's a decorative bits. This is a super simple layout. I'm glad I covered that blue bowl. once again. I think it was just too noticeable, I guess. And I know what they're doing. They're both wearing aprons, so they're clearly cooking. And when these two are cooking, they're actually baking because they bake all of the time, which is an issue, but they're really good bakers. Actually, my oven just broke and they were in the middle of making these cookies that you put pudding in the mix. They're like chocolate chip cookies and like super amazingly good chocolate chip cookies. They ended up putting them in the air fryer, and I think it might be my favorite way to have cookies now. They were like crispy on the outside everywhere, but really soft and gooey on the inside still. Quite delicious. Okay, totally flew off the pace on that one, but thought you should know. All right, just because I have these are Cocoa Vanilla little buggies. So I think I'm going to put these two little buggies up on, and they're stickers. They're from the sticker sheet, which is, you know, on my desk somewhere, possibly being eaten. Oh, this one right here. I think I'm going to put these up just because, and that's a whining bulldog behind you because he wants attention. I'm going to put them up just because I think they need a little extra attention. I'm going to get my title on and I'll be back in a minute. So, super simple layout, I know, but I do like the way it's coming together. So I have this cute little wood veneer piece that is from Saturday afternoon, which it looks like I picked up at Tuesday morning. And it is a hot air balloon. The colors actually work. Well, I mean, I hope that they mostly work considering I put the kit together, but that is not the point. I do like that little wood veneer. The problem is I don't really dig the rest of the wood veneer for this, so that's the only one it looks like we will be using from that. Not a big deal. Now, I do also have these cute little hearts that are from the sticker sheet. So I thought they would work just to sprinkle hearts here and there. I have this really great baby blue there, so let's bring some of that same blue down here. And then maybe a nice heart there. Then, are any of the hearts small from this one? Oh, I do like these puffy ones that have the gold. So let's keep going with that idea to sprinkle the hearts in, fill in our clusters just a little bit, and keep it interesting. This is such a cute little thing. It's by Maggie Holmes, but it's bright white instead of the off-white that you see so much with Maggie Holmes collections. So that's kind of cool. Oh, we can put that one right on the photo. Nothing's going on right there, so that's fun. Let's see. Now, I do have, ooh, this color works. This kind of like, these are from Chamel Glitter Girl. So enamel dots kind of little hearts. Let's see. Ooh, right there at the top. I like that. And I have three. And put one right at the bottom, kind of working off of each other. Come on, do you hate when they want to have a life of their own? Sometimes I just leave them, but right now I'm feeling bossy. So, and how about one sticking out right about there? I do like to tuck them under sometimes, so I have some of that vibe going. So getting some more use out of the Glitter Girl ones. I might have enough of the hearts. I'm not using these as much as I thought I would, but that's okay. I'm using other stuff, so it's fine. Let's see if there's little words. So I like my sunshine. Oh, he's cute. Can definitely get this word cute. Maybe I can do cute and get the little heart in front of it. Since this word cute is just kind of floating in the air. So cute. And I wouldn't mind getting a little word down here as well. He just wanted a treat so badly, the poor thing. Maybe I can do family on that. Come on, little guy. And I can have this word family go under and over my little butterfly, and maybe one right there as well. Let's see. Let me find one more. I'm half peeking out the window, you know, kind of stalking, because next door neighbors are having a delivery, and I'm super nosy, and I just want to know what they're getting. And it doesn't matter at all. I just want to know. Yes, it's true. All right, so I have cute, family, and then we'll do just one little word for love. That's cute. That is cute. So cute. Okay. And I like that right there. So now I feel like this is done. Do I need to mist? You guys know I want to get out my Jen Hadfield Gold Mist, don't you? Because I do. Oh, guys, I have these. These go in the kit too. So I can bring in some of this blue that I like so much. Do I want to? Yeah, let's just sprinkle it up with lots of these little blue puffy hearts. And I want to have them going kind of wonky, like they don't have to be perfectly placed. They're so little, they wouldn't be perfectly placed anyway. It's stuck under my nail, guys, and I don't even have long nails. Okay. So let's just have it do the whole directional cuteness. Hello. But I am super, look, see I'm wearing blue, super partial to blue. So it does actually make a fair amount of sense that I'm digging that I saw these. Oh gosh, see, they don't want to be on the papers. They want to be on my nails. It's weird. Okay, so I have 3 there. I have 3 there. Oh, they're so cute. You know, I'm going to put one more on because I know the next project I want to do it in 3s. And this I can kind of put, oh, see, it's 4. I can kind of put these like wherever. So we can put that one right on the photo. Okay. I think I have to sneeze. A little bit. So excuse me. A little bit of mist from Jen Hadfield's Gold Glitter Mist going up the line, and I will be done with this. And I'm actually so happy with it. It's very simple, guys. I know how simple this is, but you know, if I didn't put this together with like little paper pads, the paper pad would have sat there, no use whatsoever, and I would have never come up with this layout because the little butterflies that were in this, well, it's, you know, it was a piece of paper that had the 9 butterflies. So if I didn't see that in my paper pad, this design never would have come together. So I love when product tells me how to design something. I think that's very cool. All right, so let me get a couple bigger pieces. Not pieces, drippy bits, splatty bits, and I will show you my finished layout. I think that is so fun for basically a begging puppy layout. Oh, you know what I didn't do? The only thing I did not do, oh gosh, is I didn't bring in these other little plus signs, and I kind of feel like I should bring in like 2 more. Maybe just around like where it says one of the words. Okay, I think that's a good idea. Okay, now I'm super, super, super done. I'll put that one in front of the word. The other one was behind the word. So it makes sense that I'm using that font. Okay, that's really it. Bye, friends. Oh, if you have questions or comments, leave them down below. And I will have the links for the other Mini Kit Monday creators. Okay, I'm really done. Bye, friends.